This would be another interesting vlog for the developers out there. Yes, we are going to reiterate our previous vlogs on deep link. So whenever we try to click on the deep link, and what if the application is not installed? So this was a very big question I was getting from a lot of developers, how we can track the rewards. So we have shared the link, and the user or our friend try to install the application, but once he installed the application and try opening it, right, the rewards were not able to track. So we are trying to address this particular issue in this particular vlog, and I suggest you to stay tuned till the end, and I'll be trying to quickly give the intro of how this particular thing works for you. So in general scenario, whenever you click on a link, right, it will be opening up the application on your device, and this is a very common thing. So the main question arises when you click on the link and the application is not installed on your device, and then the user need to manually download the application, but then the rewards won't be tracked. And here the main issue a lot of developers are facing, and even I got a lot of comments on the same topic. So I tried addressing this particular issue, and let me try to show you the flow once. So here the existing user try to share the link, and this is the referral link to the new user. It might be their friend who is not having this particular application installed, and once he try to share the link, right, some referral bonus will be shared to his friend on successful installation. Even the person who shared it and the person who installed it, they both might get some referral bonus. But the point is, what if the application is not installed earlier? So how the flow works here, you can see. So let's try to go through step by step here. The first thing is the user click on the referral link, and the link is passed through the AppsFlyer server, and the next thing is the AppsFlyer redirect to the Play Store. So we will be seeing every step in this particular demo. I'm going to cover every step here, and the user installs the application, and the next thing is user opens the application, and AppsFlyer server will match with the install, and conversation will happen, and you are able to see the reward detect on the application. So let's try to see this quick flow now. AppsFlyer console here, and I have already created this particular short URL here, and once we click on this particular short URL, let's try to see the flow on the real device now. So let me move to the Android Studio, and here we have this particular deep link here. So if you carefully observe, this is what the deep link which we have created here, and let me try to open this particular deep link, and here you are able to see through the browser it is going through the AppsFlyer and again redirect Play Store here. So this is what the test application I have uploaded in the Play Store, and let me also parallelly track the logcat, and here I'm trying to track the rewards, and here I'm trying to install the application if you see, and let me try to track the rewards parallelly. And once the application is open, right, now we can clearly see the rewards here. So let me try to, yes, so the reward on install here we can see, and also the deep link value is reward screen. So I think you have got a very good picture like what exactly we are trying to do in this part of the series, and also I'll be providing the deep link previous tutorials here on the screen, and also the links for this particular video I'll be providing in the description section below. And in the next video I'll be clearly showing you the complete code and also how we have created this particular link here. And if you like this video, I suggest you to do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content coming up.